Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get Instagram link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get the Instagram link on your Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app. Before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support and thank you for that. That being said guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us in a circle at the bottom right. Tap on there, and on this interface guys, you can see the share profile option available for us. Tap on that share profile, and over here, in order to get your link guys, either you can tap on the share profile and send your profiling directly to somebody whom you like, or you can just tap on the copy link and your Instagram link will be copied on your clipboard and you can paste wherever you like. For example, so let's just paste it on somebody's messenger, and like this guys, your Instagram account link you will be able to get your Instagram account link. And then guys, this is how to get your Instagram link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.